Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to talk about long division with remainders. Now, let's take a look at our example here. Okay, we have 3012 divided by 4. Okay, so what should we do here? So we'll write as a long division. So we got 3012 divided by 4. And let's see how many 4 goes into 3 here. Nothing, 0. Then how many 4 goes into 30? That's, let's try 7, which is 4 times 7 equals to what? Equals to 28. Okay, 28. And 30 minus 28 equals to 2. Okay, we got lucky, so we got the right number the first time. So we will have 7 here, we'll have 28 here. And 30 minus 28 equals to what? Equals to 2 here, and we'll have 1 goes down there. So we have 21. And how many 4 goes into 21? So we know that 4 times 5 is 20, right? So 5 will be the number. So for that will be 5, there will be 20 there, right? So and then 21 minus 20 equals to 1, right? And we will have 2 there. So again, so that will be 12. Okay, so how many 4s goes into 12? 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, right? So that's simple. So we'll have 3 there, and we'll have 12 here, right? So 4 times 3 equals 12. Do the subtraction. 12 minus 12 equals to 0. So we don't have any reminders, and the result of this division is 753. So let's write it here, and that's the result for our first example. Okay, so let's take a look at our second example. So this time we'll have 59,247 divided by 9. Okay, so again, let's write like this. We got the number here, we got 9 here. Okay, so how many 9 goes into 5? 0, right? So then we should start from there. So 59. So how many 9 goes into 59? So that we need to calculate. So you need to calculate by heart or on paper. So let's guess first. So 9 times what? Times 5 equals to what? 45. Okay. So, but if we do 59 minus 45, it's equals to what? 14. So we need additional 9 there, right? For 14, obviously, only 1 9 can goes into there, right? So in this case, we'll know that 6 will be the number. So we'll write 6 there, and 9 times 6 equals to what? Equals to 54. Okay, so let's do the subtraction here. 59 minus 54, we got 5 there, and we'll have 2 go down there, so we got 52. So again, so how many 9 goes into there? So we already know here that 9 times 6 equals to 54, so that won't be the number. So, and in this case, 5 is the perfect number here. So that will be 5, and 9 times 5 equals to 45 here. So let's do the subtraction here. So we got 52 minus 45 equals to what? Equals to 7. And the number 4 goes down there. So we'll have 74. So how many 9s this time? So it's not 5, it's not 6, right? So 6 is too small. We got 54, so 74, right? So 74 minus 54 equals to 20. So at least 2 9s there, right? So if we put 9 goes into 20, there will be 2 9s goes into 20. So in this case, we have 6 here, right? So two, in additional 2 9s, that means we'll have what? We'll have 8 there. I hope that makes sense, right? So we already know here that we got 6 9s equals to 54, right? So, and the difference between 54 and 74 is 20, right? So how many 9s can goes into 20? 2 9s, right? So 2 9s, 9 times 2 equals to 18, right? So that means besides the 6 9s, we'll have the additional 2 9s goes into there. So that's why we got 8, right? So that's a shortcut, or we can just try the numbers from 6, 7, 8 and find the right number. But that's a shortcut that I taught here. So we will have 8 here, and 9 times 8 equals to 72, and 74 minus 72 equals to what? 2, right? And we have 7 there, comes down, and what? Equals to 27, okay? 27, how many 9s? 2 9s equals to 18. I don't have to write it here, so 3 9s equals to 27, right? So we'll have 3 here, we'll have 27 here. When we do the subtraction, we will have 0 there. So again, no reminder, 0 reminder, and the result of 59,247 divided by 9 equals to 6,583. Okay, so now let's take a look at our next example. We'll have 67,942 divided by 5. Okay, so because in this lesson we are trying to find remainder, right? So in our previous 2 example, the reminders are 0, right? But in this one, if you are experienced, when you do more exercise, you are experienced, you'll find that, okay, we have 2 at one's place and divide by 5, right? So in this case, I'm pretty sure that we are going to have a remainder from this calculation. Why is that? If you do more practice, you would know that for the number divided by 5, if at one's place we don't have 5 or we don't have 0 there must be remainder exist. Okay, so let's do the calculation to see if that's true. Okay, so we have 67,942 there divided by 5. And how many 5 goes into 6? Oh, there's 1. Okay, so alright, so we got 5 here. So 6 minus 5 equals to 1, and 7 goes there. So we got 17. So how many 5 goes into 17? 3, right? So I don't have to write the calculation. So we have 3 there. And 3 times 5 is 15, so that's quite simple. So 17 minus 15 is 2, right? So and 9 goes down. Okay, so the line is not very straight. So but 9 goes down, so 29 there we'll have. Okay, so how many 5 goes into 29? So we already know 5 times 5 equals to 25. Okay, so and 5 times 6 equals to 30. All right, so in this case we got 29 there, so we'll have 5 there. All right, so then we will have 25 And 29 minus 25 equals to what? Equals to 4, right? So, and we'll have 4 goes there. So we got 44. So how many 5 goes into 44? You can go down, right? So 5 times 6 equals to 30, and 5 times 7, right? So 5 times 7 equals to what? 35. And 5 times 8 equals to what? 40. Okay, so obviously we have 44 there, and with additional 5 it will be 45, right? So that's why we will have 8 here, and we'll have 40 here, right? So 5 times 8, so 44 minus 40, we will have what? 4 and 2, okay? So we'll have 42 here. So again, 5 times 8 equals 40, and there's 5 times 9 equals 45. So we'll have 8 there again, and we'll have 40 here. So 42 minus 40 equals to 2 there, all right? So in this case, we'll have the result is 13,588 with reminder 2 for this calculation. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.